Hello. Today we will be discussing about the HMI project part 1. Firstly, I will present my screen. Here is my project. Here is my the project basically project overview or the project chart we can say. We will shortly discuss all these points in a brief manner so that we have an idea of all the components included in this project. I choose the user journey portion as a HMI course project. Firstly, we will see the overview behind the user journey. What's user journey and what are the effect of user journey and some other concepts. Basically, user journey we can say that it is a step-by-step journey that the user taken by the user to reach their goal. Let's say if the goal is the user have to make a ID or something others, then you have to make complete the goal. The journey consists of number of website pages or decision points that carry the user from one step to another step, or it is considered as a visualization of an individual relationship with a product or brand over time and across different channels. Generally, user journey is represented as a timeline of all touchpoints between a user and a product. This timeline contains information about channels that a user interact with the product. Basically, product and user relationship are there. Now we will understand what's the benefit we got from the user journey. That first benefit we can say that a greater return on marketing investment. Second, like more positive social media mentions. Third, greater revenue from customer referrals, faster average sales cycle, greater cross sell and upper revenue. Identify gaps in service or communication, greater customer and employee satisfaction. These are some of the benefits which we will be getting by using the user journey as our project. Now we will be in see step by step what are the steps, basic steps which are involved in user journey. So first step, like a choose a scope. What are the scope of the project? User journey, what scope it decides, what by the user. And second step, like a user persona we have to create. Then we will be defining the expectations of the user and the corresponding scenario. What scenario we will take for their expectations, and what are the list of touch points the user will face, and take user intention. What are the user intentions? User what think in their mind we will take into account in our project, and sketch the journey and what are the journey we user will have to face, and emotional state. At each step of interaction with the user we have to consider what emotion state will be begin in the users, and finally we will validate and redefine your journey. What are the journey user will face. Now these are the not very difficult steps, but these are the list by steps. Mainly first we have to step by step follow, we have to these all these rules. Now we will be discussing about the user journey for our project, which I take as a hotel management system, in which we will try to make the database system and then retrieve and updating the informations of the users in the hotel management website itself. Like firstly we will have a user persona which will be defined the step journey. I have defined 4 personas which will be shown here. Then for the after one user persona we have user reviews like booking cancellation, app bug, dual compliments, review visualization. Like if a person is completing their journey in the hotel, then we have to give a review to from this person, and then accordingly we will change our the websites or the product basically. Then user interviews, what are the user review on our system, and what user are the pain points or touch points, and based on some sample of 20 to 30 depending on the problem to problem statement, business problem statement. Like pain points will discuss above here, and what are the pain points user will face. We will discuss all these points and try to reduce the pain points as much as possible. Like all these points cover will be completing our project. And after learning this project, the remarks which I see here is user journey is the one of the most important concept that I learned in the complete course like HMI course, which is CSL 2020 basically course is name. And I will realize the importance of user journey in software development. What's user journey importance in the software development, what role it plays, and how to know with the story of user experience with the product across the all the touch points. And finally we will acknowledge Dr. Sumit Kal and Dr. Mayank Vatsa, which gave me an opportunity to make the poster on the learned HMI, on the basic of concepts of HMI, which I taught in this video, and understand the concept better. I choose the reference, I link the reference here. This completes my project. Thank you.